Children, what about the rest of you? Only Apurv has studied the chapter.
Yes, ma'am, because of the shadows effect on the painted shadows.
Painted shadow. There was an effect. Yes, the answer is that the effect was that some effect was given by the painter. Okay, some effect was given due to which every time we see Mona Lisa smile, it is different. Every time we look at the painting and we try to notice the smile of this lady in the painting, it is all the time different. Okay. Why does the narrator say about, sorry, what does the narrator say about the playing of music and Mona Lisa? There has been a connection of the music and the painting of Mona Lisa. What did the narrator say about music and the painting of Mona Lisa?
Yes, ma'am,
Because
narrator say that
One by one, one by one. Okay, let's Parsh answer.
just the narrators say that
Easy, easy.
say that in the Mona Lisa painting, uh, Mona Lisa trying to listen the music.
In the painting, it seems that Mona Lisa is trying to listen to the music that is being played in the background. Right. Describe the blue boy in your own words. Yes, Sachit, where are you? Unmute your videos, all of you. Yes, Desh, why are you so late? Describe the blue boy in your own words. Yes, Desh, you were there when I taught you this chapter.
when the blue boy
Okay, Mrityunjay.
was made by when the blue boy was made by Thomas, uh, is is one of the most famous paintings,
Thomas Gainsborough.
ma'am, and it has interesting stories.
Only this you have to describe about the blue boy. Yes, Apoor.
Ma'am, the blue boy become the famous painting because many of the people think that blue color is a cold color. Blue color is a cold color, so it will not give good effect to the painting. But the Thomas Gainsborough painted the blue boy with the blue color, so it gives the good effects.
Okay. So the blue boy, you have a lot of things to tell about the blue boy. The blue boy has been made by Thomas Gainsborough in order to prove to the people that blue color is not a cold color. It can be used like the other colors, and it was made by Thomas Gainsborough to show that blue is a radiant color. It has lot of effects. And it can go with any color. There were people who used to think that blue is it can only be used in the background or for little highlights, but Thomas Gainsborough proved that it can be used in the as the main color of the painting. Okay, the blue boy stands with a hat which has a feather, a white feather. The main highlights of the sorry, the main highlights of the poem, sorry, the main highlights of the paintings are the white cufflinks, the the collar, white collar, the feather that he has in his hat. Okay, so all these things can be said, okay, about the blue boy. Is it okay, children? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What can we note in Renoir's painting of his son if we look at it closely?
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Yeah.
Ma'am, when we see the ma'am, when
Yatharth,
we
you were telling me that I am not admitting you. This is the first time
No,
your
no,
this thing has come.
actually, I'm really sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I joined with the wrong link. I'm really
No
sorry.
issues. It's okay. Yes.
ma'am, when we look the painting closely, we will note that the boy who is painting like a professional painter.
And we are doing what? Discussing the answer?
Rita, we are just discussing the question answers. Yes.
Yes.
What can we note in Renoir's painting of his son if we look at it closely?
Ma'am, who will take?
Ma'am, when we look,
Apurv was telling. Apurv was telling. Let him tell.
ma'am, when we look closely, we will note that the boy is making painting like the professional painters.
Okay.
But the
Anything
answer
else?
will
Anyone?
be yes, ma'am. If we look closely, we can follow a rounded line leading from the child's forehead through his shoulder and elbow, hand and brush to his canvas on which he is painting.
Okay. So what do we note when we see his son's painting closely? We also see both of you said the correct answer, but we can also mention that when we see his painting, we notice that the child is sitting like a professional. Probably he has seen his father sitting like this. Okay, it is a little difficult for the eyes to believe that such a small boy can sit like such professional painters. But yes, it can happen because his father was a professional painter and probably he saw his father sitting like this.
Ma'am, so can I write the thoughtfulness like rounded line in my answer?
Yeah, why not? Why did Renoir continue to paint and sculpt even when he became infirm? Means when he was crippled, when he was paralyzed, his hands and legs were not working. Still, he kept on painting. Why? Why do you think so? Yes, Parsh.
Ma'am, may I tell?
I was not
Let's
the
Parsh.
answer of this question.
Okay, Desh is there.
Ma'am, may I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Muted audience, kindly answer the questions.
Ma'am,
What has happened to Sachit? I think
Ma'am,
there is
may I
some
tell?
connect.
ma'am, you told the last answer.
I told the last answer.
Ma'am, who told the answer, last answer? And this time I can tell this answer.
Uh,
Ma'am, Renoir continued to paint and sculpt even he became infirm because he never stopped creating new works of art which filled him with joy and satisfaction till his last breath.
okay. Yes, Apurv.
Ma'am, want to continue painting the sculpt because these sculpture are known as valued throughout the world, like Renaud's.
Sachit, text me personally. What is the problem, beta? Is there any connectivity issue at your place? Okay, Apurv. So the answer can also be that he kept on painting, he kept on sculpting even when he became crippled or infirm because it was his passion. He always wanted to pursue it. He never wanted to stop doing what he actually was doing. Okay, and the rest you can add whatever you said. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So will you all be able to do these question answers in your notebook now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Artices you will do on your own and you will send it to me today in the evening, the question answers and the artices. Now open to your notebooks. I will tell you the difficult words right now. You write them right now.
Ma'am, may I bring you?
Yes, quickly.
Then you won't discuss the RTC.
No, artists you can do on your own. In fact, question answers also you could do on your own, but I discussed.
Ma'am, ready.
The first word, first of all, write the name of the chapter, chapter number, write new words. Get ready, then I'll give you the words.
Ma'am, for this chapter.
Yes. For the previous one, I'll also give. Not now, but I'll give.
Chapter 5. And we have to give you till today, matlab today evening.
Evening, right.
Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Children, just hold on. The first word is admired. ADMIRED. Admired.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Admired. ADMIRED. Admired.
Ma'am, all in small letter.
Right. All in small letter. There's nothing to be written. These are not proper nouns, no? Why will you write them in capitals?
Yes, ma'am. In my previous notebook, there were all red signs.
Written? Admired.
Yes, ma'am.
The second word is enigmatic. Sparsh, tell me the spelling of enigmatic, beta. Enigmatic. Sparsh. Tell me the spelling of enigmatic.
Ma'am, the meaning is hard to find, like confusing.
It's mysterious, right?
Mysterious.
Enigmatic. 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 Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you have written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The third word is possession. Possession. P-O.
Ownership.
Yeah. P-O-double-S. P-O-double-S-E-double-S-I-O-N. P-O-double-S-E-double-S-I-O-N.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. The third word is, fourth word, sorry, instance. I-N-S. I-N-S. T-A-N-C-E. Instance. Sorry?
In a quick manner.
In a quick manner. Instantly. Instance. I-N-S-T-A-N-C-E. Instance.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The fifth word is stunned. 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 Shocked. Okay. The meaning is shocked. These are just words I am giving, but meanings are being told so that you know the meaning also.
Ma'am, so shocked to react.
Exactly. Shocked to react. The sixth word is haunt. Yes.
Nothing, ma'am.
Ma'am, please
Haunt.
repeat.
Which one? Fifth one or sixth one?
Ma'am, sixth.
Haunting. HAUNTING. Haunting.
Meaning to be captured.
Sorry?
Meaning to be captured by who?
Haunting. Something that makes you afraid. Frightened. Haunted. Haunting. HAUNTING. Haunting.
Ma'am, done.
Done six?
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is appealing. 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 Appealing means very attractive. Children, please mute. Apurva, I think, yeah. Written, appealing.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And next is harmonious. 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 What do you mean by harmonious?
And blended well, like in a perfect.
Harmoniously, yes.
Yes.
How many words are we done with?
8.
8. Everybody has written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is crippled. CRIPPLED. Crippled.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Crippled. CRI double P LED. Crippled.
Ma'am, done.
The last word is sculptors. Sculptures, in fact. Sculptures. SCULPTURES.
Done.
SCULPTURES. Sculptures.
Ma'am, done.
Done, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm telling you the words and you will write the meaning, okay? You will write the meanings on your own.
That मतलब this is the homework.
Right.
Ma'am, so should I write it other than in my copy because the space won't be correct?
The first word is unwilling. UNWILLILING. Unwilling. 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 Unwilling.
Ma'am, these are word meanings.
Yes. You write the words and meanings you will write on your own. Unwilling. The second word is
Second.
mysterious. 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 Mysterious.
Ma'am, can you write it synonym that is given in the book?
Yeah. Mysterious. The next word is wailing. WEILING. Wailing. WEILING. Wailing. Clear? WEILING. Wailing. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next word is intensely. The next word is intensely. 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 Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is uncertainty. 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 Clear, children?
Ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is rival. 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 Children, how many words?
7. Oh, 6. This one.
6. The next word is blend. 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 Blend.
Ma'am, done.
The next word is enraptured. 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 Written?
Yes, ma'am.
The next word is restraint. 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 I guess how many words? 9.
9. Yes.
Any problem with the spellings? Any word that you missed out?
No, ma'am.
Now last is crippled. CRIPPLED. Though we have done this word in the new words also, but then yes, you need to write the meaning of this also. Okay, crippled. CRIPPLED. Crippled.
Ma'am, we can write from the book or we have to, is it compulsion to take the dictionary? So I'll take the
Child,
dictionary.
you need no dictionary because you have to read the chapter and then according to the chapter you have to write the meaning. No?
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to open to page number 28